everyone and welcome back. So back in August, I rescued this poor Usakumya from the brink of death. It was pretty cheap for the large rucksack size, around $80, but after shipping and shopping service fees, she came to a total of a little over $150. Still a decent price for the size, but you know, Yamamoto's shipping really added that up fast. So first thoughts was when this poor thing arrived, she was super dirty on the outside. She didn't feel crusty, but that deep red and yellow coloring was really gross. The one surprising thing is that under the hood, Usa's fur was pure white and brand new looking, so my goal was to make her whole body look like that again. I started with an OxyClean soak in the sink. I submerged her the best I could and left her for about 40 minutes. I did a light rub down with my hands, and honestly that took off about 90% of the debris. Next, I made an OxyClean paste out of a little bit of water and applied the paste to the lace. There was a bit of off-white left, so I used an old toothbrush to scrub baking soda into the lace, and voila! The last step after hanging her to dry was to brush her fur out to make her nice and fluffy. And that's the story about how I was able to save and restore this little Usa. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.